Good morning, sunny Southern California. My hair's all wet because I just got out of the shower and I pinned it back so I could do my makeup. We're gonna have breakfast at the hotel because there's a restaurant that you can eat at, and then we are gonna go meet up with my roommate and get my keys, and then we're gonna go to IKEA, get some furniture. The shopping and the apartment stuff begins. It is 7:59. My alarm's about to go off on my phone. It's 8 a.m. West Coast time, so it's 11 a.m. East Coast time, so I feel a little bit rested, except for the fact that we went to bed at 4 a.m. last night. This time, which is 7 a.m., so I've only got about 4 hours of sleep, and I was up for like 24, so I feel a little weird, but I think food in my belly will help, and lots of caffeine today. We just got back from breakfast. I didn't vlog because I was a ravenous fiend, and I got my food and then I ate it all very quickly. But yeah, let me do a little hotel room tour for you guys. It's a simple, excuse me, I'm doing a hotel room tour. It's a simple hotel. It's like very basic, but it's what we need and nice. You come in, hotel room. Hello, Mom. Have the, you know, closet-y kind of stuff. It's my duffel bag with all of my immediate things like pajamas and toiletries and a spare couple of outfits. The rest of my clothes are all packed, and shoes and different stuff are all packed into these. Okay, and then we have two, I think, full-size beds, double beds, and a chair. We got a little nightstand, a desk, TV, mirror, dresser. Mom's got all of her stuff all over the dresser here. This is kind of like the type of dresser I want to get from IKEA, to give you an idea, Mom. It's just a little thinner. It's like a writing desk, like just with a shallow drawer.
Not as wide as what here.
Yeah, not as deep, but yeah.
Like, it's probably like the one I have my makeup on in my room.
Yeah.
It's just one little drawer, and it's a desk.
There's a little coffee pot here, but we had coffee done at breakfast. But we're gonna go to Starbucks. Yeah, no, don't rush, Mom. We have lots of time. It's just about 9 o'clock now, and we're meeting my roommate at the condo at 10, I told her, and it's 9, and the apartment's about 20 minutes away from here. So at the stop at Starbucks, we'll be fine if we leave like within the next 10 minutes. So, woohoo! All is well. Okay, so we just went to the apartment and I got my keys, met my roommate and her mom. They are so nice. I've met my roommate before, but I got to like formally, you know, get the keys, take a photo, get the walkthrough, sign some paperwork. And now we are at IKEA to get some stuff for the apartment, getting a dresser and a desk, a chair, and bedside tables. So yeah, I'll show you guys a walkthrough of the apartment later. We've gone through the upper floor of IKEA and taken note of everything. I don't know, it kind of looks integrated, doesn't it? But we've taken note of all of the like things, the larger furniture.
Then we'll get a carriage of
pieces. We're gonna go eat something now. It's lunch time. It's 12, and then go to the self-serve, get all the furniture, and walk around and get like textiles and bedding and that kind of stuff. A billion hours later. Oh, we're gonna be so busy assembling furniture, and by we, I mean me. It's gonna cost me a small fortune, but it's the price of moving across the country. It would have cost me more money to ship all of my furniture, so there's that. This is fun for me. She just said this isn't fun. We just finished up at Target. Got a huge load of stuff, towels, a blanket, some lamps, a tool kit. We got air mattresses for when people come and visit me. We did not spend $50,000. You're dramatic. Where did I park? Over here? Sorry.
I don't know where I parked.
That big black SUV.
Oh yeah, you're right. But yeah, we got a bunch of stuff. The cart is packed with IKEA stuff. So then we have to load all the Target stuff in, and because we're in California, you have to pay for bags. So we didn't get bags, so everything's loose. So I don't know, I think we'll just put it in the IKEA bags. So just do the best we can, and then we're going back to the apartment to start putting things together.
Thank you.
And yeah, all good.
I saved it.
Hey guys, so it's the next day today. It is Friday, August 10th. And we actually just rolled up to Phil's Coffee in Fullerton because our hotel's in Fullerton, but we checked out because we got some air mattresses at Target yesterday, and we're gonna be staying in my apartment to save some moolah. But the plan today is I have some forms I have to go drop off at the business office at Chapman, and I also need to get my ID set up, but the offices don't open till 9, and we're a little jet lagged, so we woke up like pretty early. So it's 7:37 now, and we're at Phil's getting coffee. We're gonna get something to eat and then head over to Chapman so I can show my mom the campus and get some things done, maybe go to the bookstore. And then afterwards we're gonna head back to the apartment where I'll actually show you guys around. Last night I made a side table and I started like organizing my linens and stuff that I need to like wash. So I took like all the tags and the packaging off of the sheets and towels. But we were really tired, so we didn't get a lot done. My mom put together the chair for my desk, but my bed frame is supposed to come today, and I have to put together my dresser, the other side table, and my desk, and then unpack all of my clothes and put my shoe rack together. So there's a lot happening today. Yeah, let's go get some coffee because I'm starving and in need of some caffeine. We're at Chapman now. I just dropped off some paperwork, and now I'm gonna go get my ID. So this is the law building. This is where I'll be for the next 3 years. The library, and then all the classes and stuff are all in here. But we're going this way into like the main campus where the undergrads have classes, because I have to get my ID, and we're gonna go to the bookstore, maybe get some t-shirts, sweatshirts, something like that, some gear. So onward. Hey guys, so I'm at the apartment now. It's kind of a blur as to what we did today after Chapman. I think we just came back here. So let's do a little apartment tour. I'm currently home alone. My roommate's not here, and my mom's at the pool going for a float. So I'll show you what we got going on for a, you know, first impression kind of, I don't know, it's been a couple days, apartment tour. So here we have the front door, and there's a big window. It's bolted shut for like safety reasons, but it used to like be a slider onto a little patio that we have out there. My roommate got these couches, which are like kind of a grayish blue. That's my mom's suitcase. That's not staying there. Those are my sheets that I just washed, also not staying there. Over here, that's just like the internet. Things I have to get rid of, garbage, my bag I have to unpack, and my purse. Walking through here, we have a little coffee spot, you know, Keurig, some really cute decor, all my roommate's doing. She has incredible taste, so very cute. But first, coffee. Then we have the dining area. There's a table, 4 chairs, obviously a nice, beautiful big window, utility closet. And then this is the kitchen. It's nicely updated, has pretty tall ceilings, overhead lighting, some stainless appliances, like a compactor, trash compactor thing. I have to put my food away still. My mom went to the grocery store for me today while I was building my dresser. But yeah, we have tons of cabinet storage. More over here, dishwasher, nice. And then the fridge, it's just made a little noise at me. We have a water filter and an ice maker, which is awesome. I've never had an ice maker like before. And then there's like a little bar stool, like where you could put bar stools, but we don't have any. And then coming down the hallway, that's my roommate's room, which is the master. So she has her own bathroom and stuff in there, but I'm not gonna show you guys that. Around the corner, we have a closet, which is the washer and dryer unit. I have a pile of sheets that need to go in there next. The towel is actually on the table in here
because I was putting together some of the furniture on there. So I actually do need to wash that towel. But as you can see, it's all carpeting, which is kind of a pain to keep clean, but I think there's tile underneath it and it's nicer than that. So it's really soft and it's brand new. So this is my room. So I have the door, and then I have more cardboard that I need to recycle from all of these IKEA boxes. This is the desk I got. It's the Hems 8-drawer desk. I literally just finished putting it together. I'm gonna go there, and then over here I'm gonna put my desk, which is the Hems writing desk. It's just a flat writing desk. Again, for safety, all of these windows and stuff are like have locks and everything. So at night I can't keep my windows open, which is kind of a shame, but you know, safety first. And they have these beautiful shutters, which let such nice light in. And then I have a closet on this side, and then I have one of my dressers in here already. The other one was in the kitchen. I gotta bring it in here. My bed frame is like on the patio outside. I haven't like unboxed it yet. So the nightstand, bed, and nightstand are gonna go in here. Then I have another closet here, which is awesome. So because this closet is close to where I'm gonna have my desk by the window, I'm gonna put a bookshelf inside of there for like my law books and kind of use that as like not clothes closet, like just storage for like school stuff. I'm thinking about getting a filing cabinet to start like saving all my stuff for the bar and everything. If you guys did not know, I'm starting law school in like a week. So that's why I'm here in California, to go to law school. And then, okay, this is my bathroom. I have my own bathroom, but obviously if there were guests, like people could use it. And in here I have a sink. Oh, that's my mom's clothes. She just changed for the pool. I have two pretty mirrors and a medicine cabinet that's mirrored. And you know, the toilet, got that plunger already, and the toilet bowl cleaner brush thing. I have a rug in here already and a shower curtain, and it's a little bathtub too. So if I really wanted to, I could take a bath. And it's really nice. And that is everything for the most part. Back here's the garage, which is where my roommate parks her car. So yeah. There's storage in the garage for me as well. There's like all of this like hanging storage from the people who lived here before my roommate. Her family actually owns this place and I am renting from her. My focus is not working. Why? Okay, so anyways, there's all the storage in there, and so like I can put my suitcases and stuff like that in there. So now that my dresser's made, I'm going to first move over some laundry because it's done, and then second, I'm gonna start putting away my clothes from my suitcases and hanging things up, and I have to make like a big pile of stuff to iron because it's gonna be all wrinkly, and I have a lot of business casual clothes that can't be wrinkly. So I have a lot of work cut out for me. Still have to put the desk together and the bed, but my mom and I stayed in a hotel the last 2 nights, but we bought 2 like twin size camping air mattresses, so we're actually gonna camp out here tonight. And I don't have any sheets that fit twins, but I have sheets that fit queens, so I'm like, we'll just put the top sheet like on it and lay on it and tuck it over, or like tuck the fitted sheet around it. And I have blankets, so we'll be fine, but I just thought it was funny. All right, I'm gonna stop chatting now and get to work. I made my first meal in my apartment. I have a baked potato with a veggie burger patty, 2 little pieces of bread and butter, and broccoli. And then I made the same thing, but instead of veggie burgers, Mom has chicken breast. It's cooked nice. And there's a lot more bread, actually. I just put 2 little guys. Oh, all right, into her mouth it goes. So we are going to eat. I'm pretty hungry now. And yeah, gotta put some more furniture together tonight. Maybe Mom will go back over to the pool. There's another pool, so she might go to the other pool. But all is well, things are good.